Just perfect. Great place, great location, service daily, washing machine, only thing it doesn't have is in-house restaurant, but plenty a short walk away. Great room overlooking red lights district for added fun. Rooms were clean and big. Staff were fantastic. Overlooks the red light district but great spot. Rooms were well sized and very clean. Staff were helpful and friendly. Good service and worth for money overall, okay for everything. We are really enjoy. Thanks. Simply superb at CNC Residences. CNC Residence at 28 Sukhumvit, Bangkok, a service apartment equipped with full kitchen facilities and washing machine, great for families and large group of friends for in cooking and friends gathering. Housekeeping was simply superb and amazing. Hot shower definitely no complaints and easy walking access, flanked by 2 BTS/MRT station, approximately 11 minutes walk. Shopping malls are within distance, so location definitely a 6-star location. A better choice selection than most 4 stars hotel within its vicinity and pricing, value for dollar, simply greater than amazing accommodation. Pleasant environment and superb ambience. A 6-star hospitality equipped with amazing service quality and quality service standards. Spacious and comfortable, good location, very comfortable property. Exceptional, great stay and great value for your money.